I'm Joel Anker. Company's Anker Trucking, Inc. out of Linwood, Illinois. So this one's a 1990 Kenworth W900L. It's got a Cat 3406B in it. So yeah, like I said, it's all original. It's obviously all been pulled out, blasted, painted, pinstripe. So turned out nice. That yellow is actually really cool. When the sun gets on it, it's got like the black, that metallic in it. It pops pretty good in the sunlight. So it's actually one of the first L models in Chicagoland. My dad bought it from Chicago Kenworth, brand new. They came up with the paint scheme on it. It was all been redone. Kept that original. A lot of things have changed, but the paint I kept original. Like I said, he bought a brand new. This was a truck I learned to drive in, so it's kind of a sentimental thing. That's why big part of the reason why I wanted to redo this truck. As far as the rebuild on it, I had Davis Brothers do the work out of Indiana, and it was complete rebuild. Down to the bare frame rails, engine trans, everything was out, repainted, had the frame stretched. The whole thing's been touched, so. Do that with a remote.
Oh, that's cool.
So, yeah, I did the shaved door handles, and obviously got the interior is all been redone, and painted floor, all custom dash, headliner, stereo in it. Stereo in this thing's pretty good too. Got obviously the speakers in the doors and the headliner. I got a 10-inch stub in the middle. Underneath the deck plate, I've got 4 speakers under there too, pointing straight down at the ground. It's loud. for a little day cab, they'll put some sound out. We got new doors for this thing, and they were like the last set in the country and came out of Seattle, Washington. So that was a little bit of a process. But other than that, I mean, yeah, obviously the dash is all custom. That's a one-off because of the age of the truck, and that's all custom built. The headliner, 12-gauge customs did that. Obviously, this one doesn't work anymore. It's definitely retired now. So it's a little bit easier to keep up with it.